Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 13 December 2018's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 49 points up move and Indian markets have recovered almost around 400 points from the bottom which we have seen in last 2 days. The day before yesterday there was Congress which was in high position because of the elections which happened in 5 constituencies. Congress had an upper hand and market reacted very positively for that. We had a deep downturn in the beginning of the day. However, we recovered almost around 300 points in the same day. Today also 49 points up move on SGX Nifty, seeing that we may see a up move in today's session as well, which is a continuation of the trend which has been set due to the elections. And US markets have not done badly for itself. It has done quite okay for itself. 157 points up on DowJones, Nasdaq up by 66 points and S&P up by 14 points. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green in today's pre-open and open session. Let's see what Indian markets have to offer in supports and resistances. Supports are very crucial here. 10,707, which was a very strong resistance, now has become a support because it has been crossed and it is now around the level of 10,740 levels. For Indian markets, let's see what are the more supports in today's session we have to watch out for. The 10,678 will be a crucial support. Below that 10,650 and 10,639 and 10,611, 10,600, 10,550, 554, 10,563 levels and 10,550, 10,500 are crucial supports in Indian markets we have to watch out for. As well as resistances, we now have the resistance around the level of 10,761, 10,800 and 10,834 levels, 10,884 and 10,926 levels are crucial resistances in Indian markets. And fast stochastic is denoting that we are up for more upturn. So is slow stochastic, we are up for more upturn in Indian markets. However, MACD shows that we have a huge momentum drop and there is a cross in MACD. So that is the Indian markets technical analysis readings for today. If you need this technical analysis knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. There is a session happening in 91 Springboards Residency Road in Bangalore on 15th and 16th of this month, that is day after tomorrow and Sunday. I will teach you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis if you are an intraday trader and want to learn options. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.